Oysters hold an iconic status within the ecology, economy, and cultural fabric of the Texas coast. Oysters grow on the shells of other oysters, creating their own habitat. Maintaining the balance between harvesting oysters responsibly and conserving oyster reefs sustainably is a unique management challenge. Harvest practices, changes to water quality and quantity, storms, and disease can all affect our oyster populations. Maintaining a delicate balance is essential for the preservation of this vital habitat. When we lose this balance, our reefs vanish, taking with them the rich ecosystems they support and the benefits they provide. Through oyster reef restoration efforts, we have the opportunity to reconstruct and reclaim what has been lost. Combining sound science with the efforts of thousands of community volunteers, we are rebuilding oyster reefs in Texas. Our Sink Your Shucks program has reclaimed over 3 million pounds of oyster shell from local restaurants and festivals. We have recycled this shell to restore 40 acres of reef. Our restored reefs become living laboratories where we measure biodiversity, water quality, and, most recently, carbon sequestration. We use this knowledge to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of our restoration efforts. Hand in hand, bag by bag, and acre by acre, we are restoring the balance in our bays and putting oyster reefs back on the map in Texas.